Introducing the Genie One. Genie One has the same rugged, unibody and reliable construction as the original Genie, but it has been completely updated with our latest technology, making it compatible with the Syrp app. On the Genie One itself, you will find a 3/8 thread on the top for attaching a tripod head or a ball head. The linear base is already connected to the Genie One with 3 meters of rope wound on, while the panning base is in the box. In the box, you will also find a USB-C to USB-A charging cable. You can use this with any USB wall charger. Rope hooks are provided in case you don't have a Syrp slider, and you want to attach the Genie One to a third-party slider or a DIY setup. To remove the linear base, slide the quick release button over and hold while at the same time pulling the linear base off. Screw the linear base directly onto the slider and lock the rope off at either end. Click the Genie One in, making sure there is no orange showing on the back of the device. Then attach your ball head and camera on top. Lastly, attach your link cable. To attach the Genie One to a tripod, take the panning base and screw it onto a set of legs. Unclick the Genie One from the slider and click it into the panning base. Attach your ball head, camera, and link cable. If you don't have a Syrp slider, take the rope hook accessory and Velcro them down to the third-party product. Then attach the Genie One just like before. To turn on the device, press the on button once to turn on Bluetooth. The green flashing light means Bluetooth is ready to be connected to. You can download the Syrp app from the App Store or the Play Store. You can now connect using the Syrp app. Tap the connect icon in the app. The Genie One will appear. Just tap the circle to connect. Tap Create Content to begin setting up a movement. To turn off, hold the on button for 1 second.